What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another video. So before we get into today's video, I just want to give a notification shout out to First. She said hashtag first. So we're going to give a notification shout out to 22. Thank you so much for being first on the last video. Now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. First up, this is what we have. This is, we already kind of went through this. This is actually an eyeshadow palette. Now, if you know, then you know. Eyeshadow pigment can be used because it's non-toxic. I'm going to be using these gorgeous colors to be making custom colored hard gels. So stay tuned to the channel because we are going to be doing some custom colors for hard gel. And I actually got this information from Lissette here on YouTube. I'll leave her information right here on screen. Also, I'll go ahead and link her YouTube channel, and if you guys would like, you can follow her as well and subscribe to her channel. So I'll leave all her information in the description box below. First time that I bought this chalk, I was pretty pissed off. Amazon did give me a refund for it because when it arrived, they were broken and the colors was everywhere. But luckily this one did come in plastic, but I removed it because I wanted to check to make sure like it wasn't broken like the last time when I received it. You have, it's wrapped in plastic from the seller that I got, so I'll leave that information linked in the description box below. But from the seller I chose it from, it was wrapped up really well. This comes with 64 colors, and again, I will be making custom hard gel. I ended up getting the chalk, but I also wanted to get the pigment because the pigment is already, you know, ground or whatever, and you don't have to make a mess using this chalk. That's why I got both. I'm going to do both methods to see which one comes out better, and then we're going to kind of go from there. 7-gram containers. Now, I'm going to take one of them out the plastic because the light is shining and you can't really see it. These are actually small containers. So I have the camera zoomed out, that way you can actually see. Normally, you know, when you're on YouTube, things are kind of zoomed in and, you know, people are using different cameras. So online, things look like they're super big, but I intentionally left the camera zoomed out. I am using my Canon DSLR to shoot the video today, so I just wanted to be sure that you guys can see that. I got these small containers just so that I can mix the custom gels. I also got these labels, and these are just these little dots. Let's see if the camera can pick up on it. So that I can put the custom colors on top of these jars so that I can know exactly which color is in there. That's how that comes. Let me get you guys zoomed in a bit here. So they're telling you, you know, throw your plastic bags away, and so it comes all taped up. Oh, I like how they look at that. They really have it taped on the top and bottom. Let me grab my craft scissors just so I can cut through this real good. Jeez, I forget how many colors are actually in here. But look, we got glitter. Let's open it up. I got all these glitters. This is also to like mix with my acrylics, and just look how gorgeous these are. Now these are not that big. Look how pretty. This is giving me mermaid vibes. If you guys want me to do like all these glitters, I got like the chunky mix because I like the chunky mix mixed with a little bit of fine glitter, but I don't like all that fine glitter all the time. I like to give a lot of dimension to the nails. So I'm going to be putting some of the glitters in the hard gel, as well as keep some for like my acrylic sets. But we're not going to go through all these different colors. I just wanted to grab a few that kind of caught my eye. Ooh, let's look at this. Look at this. Let's look at this one. Oh no, I see another aqua one. These are so pretty. No, it's kind of like the blue. There's a gold. There's all different types of color. Again, I will go ahead and leave this information in the description box below. If there's anything that I'm missing, just kind of let me know. Oh my gosh, gorge, right? This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have a silicone mat on my desk now. Also, I have a brand new desk. This is so that I can mix my custom gels and stuff like that, make it easier. And they come in a set of 5, each ranging in different sizes. So you can use these for whatever. You can use them for mixing acrylic, use them for mixing gel, whatever it is. I got some more nail art brushes. Just look how fine detailed this is. In the description of their Amazon storefront, they tell you like how long each one of them are. Side note, that when you are storing your brushes, when you are done, don't store them upright like this. You see that this cap has a pinhole in it. That pinhole is to allow air in it. So if you are putting them like in a cup, or you have to store them upside down, store them like this when you're done. That way, whatever liquid or whatever it is will run down to the tip and not back into the barrel, causing, damage, and then you don't have your brushes for very long. Next up, I actually got some more brushes. I'm sure that these are not 100% Kaliski here. Have to go back to the website to know what sizes. So this is the bigger size brush that comes in the pack, and here are the sizes of the brushes. Here is the acrylic powder. I did a glitter set, and then I did a like glow in the dark set, because you guys like when I do the reviews for Saviland. So and again, none of these products or these came out of my own money. They're not sponsored or anything like that. Now, if they want to give me my money back, like, I'm cool with that too, sis. Let's see. I don't know, guys. Now these are, I'm pretty sure these are not big. Look at that. How cute, right? 10 piece. All right, moving on. Let's get to the next box. Hold on. Let me pull up my account. This is the glitter set, right? This is their thing, because wait. I see some glitter in here. Wait a minute. Where the hell is the blue? Look at this. Look at these pictures, right? Is this supposed to be blue? Girl, what? This is the same size, by the way, as the other one. I'm just confused by the colors. I don't know. I have to go into more detail. This, by the way, they did a really excellent job of making this look as vibrant as possible on this damn phone. But you get it in person, you look like, what? So yeah, these are small, just like the other one. So I'm gonna set that to the side for a second. So these are, again, 0.35 ounces, not even a full, not even a half an ounce. So a little bit smaller than that, but the price that you pay for it may or may not be worth it. We're going to find out. So right along with that, now remember, I got the glitter acrylic set along with the glow in the dark, along with the Saviland acrylic brushes. So on top of that, to see if this stuff works, right? Because we have to find out if it works. I went on ahead and I purchased the monomer. This is 250 milliliters, which is actually 8.45 fluid ounces. So 8 fluid ounces. Now look at that, girl. They got this all wrapped in plastic, and you got your instruction manual that kind of just pop. Okay, they just put this with all their stuff. Let's just say that, right? But it is wrapped up, soft spot right here. So it's not all the way at the top. I'm not going to be putting this on people's nails because although it says that it's MMA free, I don't know. We are almost done. We got a few more items left. So I also picked up the nail art kit. This is supposed to be like gel nail art. Getting right into these gel paints. These is what this look like. There's a lot of different colors in here. I forget how many. Again, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. It also, of course, comes with their instructions like it always do, as well as some nail art brushes. So going back to the beginning of me buying those different pots and stuff like that, these little things are not going to take a whole lot. I like the whole squeeze top thing, little flip top. Just put that in there and stay tuned for that. We're going to be making some custom hard gel and also testing it out and everything like that. I'm off into builder gel now. My first love is still acrylic. I don't know what happened. My camera went out, so I don't know where that actually left off at. So again, we're opening up the Saviland Builder Gel Kit, nail form pink, white. It says clean instead of clear. Comes with the brush, comes with the nail forms, 3 pieces of builder gel. Lastly, I ended up getting some Zala Build Gel, right? Because it is a federal crime to destroy regular money. I think this is a stack of 10,000. It does say play money on there, right? This is so that I can cut this up. I haven't done any money nails at all. It says play money there. This is what it looks like on the front. And this is what it looks like on the... Let me just take one because I can't hold that. This is what it looks like on the back. So you'll see all the different lines and stuff like that. But when you do cut on what side you decide to use, if you use these, that's fine. You can cut out the whole play money at the top and then just use everything else around it, which would be cute, you know. You can put the whole little Liberty Bell thing in there. It don't even ring like the other ones do. But anyway, it's kind of... You hear that? It's kind of sturdy too. So I think it probably will hold up in the monomer. So it'll probably be okay. So yeah, that's that, guys. That is everything that I got in this Amazon haul. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be doing so much more. Also, if you have not followed those social accounts, be sure that you go ahead and follow those social accounts. Okay? They will be linked in the description box below. If you have not also subscribed to the channel, be sure to like this video, hit that big old subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.